Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm really excited about today's video because today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own wishing well. I know if you remember back in the day, in areas like shopping malls or in like those fancy offices or whatever, you'd go in there and you would see fountains, and in those fountains were pennies that random people would just throw in and make a wish. Um, but for this particular spell, I'm going to use something different. I'm going to use stones, such as these. And on those stones, you're going to write affirmations, little keywords or symbols of wishes that you want to see manifested, either for the month or throughout the year. Now, just one little tidbit before we begin. This spell is best done on the night of a new moon because, as I mentioned before in past videos, the new moon symbolizes new beginnings. So you would want to start this spell on the night of a new moon. So what you're going to need are stones, of course. You're also going to need a bowl, a little fish bowl that's going to serve as your makeshift well. A permanent marker, and a pitcher of water. So the first thing we're going to do is fill our bowl with water all the way to the top. Be careful not to overflow it because you want to be able to close the lid and not have any water spill out. So if you can see that, so like about right there would be fine, just to the rim. Now, as you make your wishes, just think about what it is that you want the most. One of the most common wishes that I see or that I've heard of, common petitions are prosperity, a job, open road, to be have like obstacles removed, to make things easier for them, that sort of thing. So let's just say as an example, somebody wants money. So what I would do is I would take one of my pebbles and I would write money on there. And you can do the dollar sign as well. So as you can see right there, it's kind of small, but I've written the word money and I put the dollar sign underneath as a symbol. So close your eyes with, the pebble in your hand, and just picture the money coming to you. Picture either somebody handing you money or you receiving a check with, that you've been waiting for. I know tax season is going on right now, so if you're wanting this money sooner, just picture the money coming in, or you getting the money in like some way. And when you've done that, just drop your pebble into your well. And you can think of other wishes too as well that you can add to it. Let's say that the next thing you want, you feel like you're stuck in a rut. You don't know. You're at a stalemate. You don't know which direction you want to go to. You're confused about whether you should stay at your current job or you should leave for a different one, or something. What you could do is draw a star for guidance. It's very small, but I don't know if you can see it or not. But at least, you know, you have the symbol there as a guide. So if I wanted some guidance in my life, I would draw a star, and then before you drop it in there, just say your petition, say, um, God, you know, please guide me down the right path. Lead me down the right path, and show me new opportunities, that sort of thing, and then drop it in the well. Next, you might want to gain blessings in your home, or you might want to for there to be peace in the home. You would draw a cross. And then if you want, you can write the word cross or the word blessings on your stone. Okay, and there you go. And then just as you go, for each one, just say a little prayer. Say, you know, for this wish, I would like to receive guidance. I would like to receive blessings in my home. I would like for there to be money coming into the home. Bless me with many opportunities to better my life, to better my situation, and then drop it into the well. And there you go. That's your how-to for today on how to make your own wishing well. I hope that all your wishes come true. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. And remember to place this out during the new moon. That way the light hits it, or the moonlight will hit it, and it'll soak up the moon's energy, and you can that way, you know, it'll help to manifest your wishes. So I hope this works out for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, I love you all. Thank you so much for all your love and support, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.